Hi, how are you? We are going to draw a smaller house today. So let's start the drawing. We start from the ground. Now we draw the floor here. You can see the floor. Connect it. Alright. Now we are going to draw some vertical lines. So this is the lines for the side compartment of the drawing. This is another line. Alright. And the other line you can see here. This is the other line. So this segment is going to be one storied. Let's draw the roof. Okay, and the railing on top of the roof. Let's draw a few lines for the railing here. Alright, we can make it darker. The two lines have the same thickness. Now let's draw the pitched roof on top. That is horizontal line. Now I'm going to draw the inclined line here. Okay. Alright, usually this is the chimney used in the cold regions of the world. Now let's draw the lines for the big doors here. You can see the big lines for the doors and for the windows. We draw two more horizontal lines. Now we connect the windows. And the middle of the doors here. Alright, the middle of the windows, as you can see here. Okay, two more vertical lines, as you can see here. For the upper floor, let's draw a curved line like this, and another vertical line like this, and draw a horizontal line like this. All right, there's a sun. You can see here the sunshine. We are going to put later. And let's draw the grass with the green color here. All right, so you can see the green color, the grasses are green. Now let's put some light green around the bush. All right, you can see some red flowers here. And for the sunshine, let's put the orange color. Let's put bigger lines like this. So 4, another 4 in the middle, and in between them few small lines like this. Okay, for the roof, let's put this dark red color. This always defines the pitched roof. Let's draw the floor here. And the glasses of the windows, those are going to be blue. Let's put some blue colors for the windows. Another blue color for these windows too. And also for the top floor, the window, it's also blue in color. And the door is going to be this color, like a wooden door. It's like something like dark yellow. All right, now we can put a few panels with these hatches. These are the grills of the windows. And for the top window too, we are putting the grills. And we are going to put the door handles here. All right, so this is the basic drawing of a small house. I hope you like the video. You do the practice at home and the drawing is going to be better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.